Intro. Hello and welcome to VJ English for Fun. This is episode 1, Listen and Understand. My name is Mirek. I'm happy you're here. Today, we will focus on listening. Just listen. You don't need to speak. Relax, enjoy, and learn English with me. Let's begin. Part 1, Everyday Greetings. Let's start with some common greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When you say goodbye, you can say, goodbye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. When you meet someone for the first time, say, nice to meet you. And they say, nice to meet you too. Part 2, Talking about your day. Let's listen to how someone talks about their day. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee. I eat a small breakfast, usually toast or cereal. At 8 a.m., I leave the house. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9 a.m. At 12 p.m., I have lunch. After lunch, I continue working. At 5 p.m., I finish work and go home. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. Sometimes I watch a movie or read a book. At 10 p.m., I go to bed. Part 3, Simple Descriptions. Let's describe people and places using simple English. This is Sarah. She is 30 years old. She is a teacher. She lives in a small apartment. Sarah likes reading and walking in the park. This is David. He is 45 years old. He is a taxi driver. He works in the city. David enjoys cooking and listening to music. Now let's describe a place. This is a cafe. It is small and quiet. There are 5 tables. People come here to drink coffee and eat snacks. There is music in the background. It is a nice place to relax. Part 4, Questions and Answers. Let's listen to some simple questions and answers. What's your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. Do you like English? Yes, I do. I like learning English. What time do you get up? I get up at 6:30 in the morning. Do you work or study? I study at a university. What do you do in the evening? I cook dinner and watch TV. Part 5, Easy Conversations. Let's listen to a short conversation between 2 people. Anna, hello. How are you? Mike, hi, Anna. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Anna, I'm good, thanks. Where are you going? Mike, I'm going to the supermarket. Anna, oh, I see. Are you buying food? Mike, yes, I need milk, bread, and eggs. Anna, that sounds good. Enjoy your shopping. Mike, thanks. See you later. Anna, bye. Another short conversation. Lily, hi, John. What do you do? John, I work in a bank. Lily, really? Do you like your job? John, yes, I do. It's interesting. What about you? Lily, I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital. John, that's great. Part 6, Listening to a Short Story. Now, let's listen to a short story. Tom lives in a small town. He works as a baker. Every morning, he wakes up at 4 a.m. He goes to his bakery and starts baking bread. People come to the shop at 7 a.m. They buy fresh bread and coffee. Tom enjoys his work because he likes helping people. In the afternoon, Tom rests and reads books. In the evening, he spends time with his family. Part 7, Daily Listening Tips. Now, I'll share some listening tips. Listen to English every day, even for 10 minutes. Choose easy English podcasts, like this one. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Listen many times. Repetition helps. Enjoy the process, make it fun and simple. Listening improves your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. You don't need to speak perfectly. Just keep listening. English will become easier with time. You did a great job today. Thank you for listening to this episode of VJ English for Fun. Remember, listening every day will help you improve your English. Come back tomorrow, listen again. New words, new ideas, and more English practice, always simple and fun. Subscribe to this podcast. Share it with your friends. Keep learning and don't give up. See you next time. Bye-bye.